everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make some Alfredo jerk chicken, and our ingredients today is just gonna be chicken. I've already cleaned it and I've cut off the excess fat, and here are my seasonings. You can use whatever seasoning you usually use for your chicken. I'm just keeping it simple because I am going to be using this jerk marinade. All right, and let's begin. All right, so we're just going to marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. You want to make sure that it's nice and coated so that your chicken can get all its flavor. And we're going to set this to the side. All right, this is simple. We're just gonna let our water boil and get our noodles started while we cook our chicken. And I kind of sped up the next process with me cooking the chicken. I did let my skillet get nice and hot, so it's nice and sizzly when the chicken hits the skillet. And that's just so that I can get that char on the chicken. And we're just basically gonna let this cook. Right here, we're just gonna boil our spaghetti noodles until they're nice and al dente. Don't wanna overcook them though, so be careful with that. And I did break mine in half, and most times people add salt to their water. I'm not big on cooking with salt, so I skipped that. So, yeah. Right here, I just added a little onion and bell pepper that I chopped up on the side. However, if you do not like onions or peppers, then you can just use whatever flavoring you like. And I'm also going to add a little garlic in there in just a little bit. Okay, so now if you've never used whipping cream to make your Alfredo sauce, trust me, you will never use that jarred stuff again. This is absolutely delicious, and it's creamy and it doesn't dry out. And again, you can thank me later. that. You cannot tell me that does not look delicious, because it is. It's delicious, and you can thank me later. right, guys, and that is it. You just top it off with that chicken, add a little Parmesan on top, and you've got you a delicious Alfredo. Let me know if you try it and how you like it. And please, next I'm going to add a drink to the mix. In that glass right there, we have citrus vodka. Sorry, I forgot to put that in the clip. So I'm gonna add 1 ounce of citrus vodka, any kind you like. And here I'm gonna add 1 ounce of coconut rum. And even though it looks like a lot, it really is not a strong drink, I promise. It's really refreshing. Gonna pour that in there. Then you're gonna add some pineapple cranberry juice. Just fill it on up. And that's it. Very nice, relaxing drink. It's nothing too crazy. Enjoy. Stay tuned, guys, for my Valentine's DIY. This next project is something that I made for Damaris 2 years ago. Of course, I used real flowers then, but for video purposes, I got a cheap little bouquet from Hobby Lobby. I got a Dollar Tree jar and a candle holder and 3 boxes of red hots. So here we're going to make sure that this candle holder fits into the jar. We want to make sure we have room for the red hots and that they're, not too crowded. And I'm doing this with one hand, you guys, so if the camera's a little shaky, I'm sorry. But this just goes to show how easy this project is. Alright, so the part that I didn't add was the candy hearts. You can see those on this side. And what I'm going to do with those is once I put the flower in the candle holder, I'm going to use that as a space filler. And that's it. That's all there is to it, guys. It's a very easy DIY. It's a beautiful little bouquet. Of course, you can use real flowers. I just used the fake ones for video purposes, and Damaris really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you will join me for more to come. Everyone have a wonderful day, and as my mother would say, create a blessed day. Bye, everyone.